Boom, here we go. Welcome to the Australian Tweets Analyze homepage. Our application can support a wide range of analytic scenarios with two main views, a graph-based view and a map-based view. The graph-based view contains charts for statics in each major city, such as the most popular hashtags and the languages, the number of tweets about coronavirus 19 each day, and more. Users can select a city from the dropdown to view different statics for the city. So as you can see, the first chart here is relating to our scenario about which topics do people care most about in each city. From this chart, we're able to view the top 10 popular tweets topics in Melbourne. By clicking the dropdown, we're able to see data for other 5 major cities as well. And just comparing Melbourne with Sydney, we can find that coronavirus 19, the coronavirus 19 has been mentioned more in Sydney than which in Melbourne. And this may reflect that people in Sydney were more concerned about coronavirus than like other topics. The second chart we can see is about top foreign languages used in tweets in different cities. Here, what we find is like Hindi, which we marked as in the chart, are being used the most in most of the cities. For example, like as you can see, in Canberra and in Adelaide as well. And we also find like Tagalog are very popular as well. Scroll down the screen, we have coronavirus 19 related graph presented here. And the combination of several charts. The first chart shows the number of coronavirus 19 cases in this month. Let's go back to Melbourne first. And in the second chart, it checks the number of coronavirus 19 related tweets in general. And the third chart shows the number of positive and negative tweets in total. The last chart displays the number of tweets relating to financial hardship. To explore our first scenario of like, is there any correlation between the number of coronavirus 19 confirmed cases and the various aspects of tweets in each city? What we need to do is to combine these different charts to do an analysis. For example, if we combine the first chart of number of coronavirus 19 cases and with the last chart of financial hardship related tweets, like if we're looking at their terms, like we can kind of conclude that there is a positive relation between the number of coronavirus related tweets and the number of financial hardship tweets. Okay, now I think it's time to look at the heat map. This is the heat map is a view to visualize the distribution of tweets according to various aspects, such as the language being used to tweets. You can see here, and the sentiments of the tweets, the positive and negative. And the users can choose their desired scenario by selecting the aspect that they want in the panel. So if we select the foreign language and we select Melbourne, and from the heat map, let's have a go. And we can see that the foreign languages are clustered around the universities. And if we go to the Brisbane, it will be very obviously also around the airport as well. And in this map, we can also investigate the correlation between the number of positive or negative tweets with income and age respectively. How to do this? Let's see, the income and age distribution data comes from a ARIN data set, while the positive and the negative is coming from our tweet harvest server. And from this heat map for Melbourne, Go to Melbourne. Like if we're looking at the both, we can find that like no matter the positive or the negative, it's very highly clustered in the city center. And if we combine with the age, we probably can conclude that like it appears more likely happens to the age group between 13 to 14. And if we look at the positive, it seems like with the income, it seems like the high income group with the more than 2K salary, they appears to have more positive tweets.